Yo, yo, yo. Welcome back, guys. And today, आज हम खेलने वाले हैं The One, The Only, The Elder Scrolls 4 Oblivion. वैसे ये गेम ओरिजिनली रिलीज़ हुई थी 2006 में 2006, लेकिन तब हमारे पास ऐसे सिस्टम्स नहीं थे, हमारे पास कंसोल्स नहीं थी, तो हम खेल नहीं पाए. But now we are getting to it क्योंकि Bethesda ने जो ये गेम बनाते हैं उन्होंने रीमास्टर वर्जन इसका निकाला है. तो फिर आज हम ये चेकआउट करेंगे. आप लोग हमारे साथ होगे, ज्वाइन करेंगे, साथ साथ एडवेंचर्स पे जाएंगे. तो शुरू करते हैं. लेट्स गो.
I was born 87 years ago. For 65 years, I've ruled as Tamriel's emperor. But for all these years, I've never been the ruler of my own dreams. I have seen the gates of oblivion, beyond which no waking eye may see. Behold, in darkness, a doom sweeps the land. This is the 27th of last seed, the year of Akatosh 433. These are the closing days of the third era and the final hours of my life.
ओके, तो कैरेक्टर क्रिएशन होना है यहाँ पे. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट वी कैन मेक. Argonian, the reptilian race. इतने सारे options है guys, I don't know what to choose. But let's see. Intelligent, quick and agile. That's a pretty unique skill. Ooh, Dark Elf. Imperial Node के साथ चलते हैं. Keep it simple for this walkthrough. Western करते हैं. Let's go body. Of course, male. We are a male. Young. Skin tone. इस पे तो बहुत टाइम लगने वाला है. There's so many options to go through. You could be on this thing forever. Okay guys, ये है हमारा कैरेक्टर. मैंने वो स्किप कर दिया था क्योंकि वो बहुत सारा it would have took so long to get through all of it. लेकिन आप लोग टाइम लगाओ, देखो क्या बनाना है आपने, क्या नहीं बनाना. Go through it thoroughly कि आपका कैरेक्टर जो मर्ज़ी आप बनाओ, आप सेटिस्फाई हो ना उसके साथ. तो फिर चलो शुरू करते हैं. Let's get it. Go on a great adventure. Yes. ओके तो हम प्रिजनर हैं. वाओ. LS to sprint.
My, you're a big one. A Nord, I'd guess, right? So strong. But you can't bend steel, can you, boy? You can't do anything to get out of here. And those big muscles? They're going to waste away. When the end comes, you won't even have the strength to cry for your mother. That's right. You're going to die in here. You hear me, Nord? You're going to die in here. Hey, you hear that? The guards are coming. For you.
Boris, lock that door behind us.
Yes, sir.
बिल्कुल नहीं, हम निकलेंगे यहाँ. मैं तो नहीं मरने वाला यहाँ पे.
Don't know that, sire. The messenger only said they were attacked.
No, they're dead. I know it.
What's this prisoner doing here? This cell is supposed to be off limits.
Usual mix-up with the watch.
Never mind. Get that gate open. Stand back, prisoner. We won't hesitate to kill you if you get in our way.
You,
चलो भाई लोग
prisoner,
पीछे हट
stand
जाओ.
aside. Over by the window. Stay out of the way and you won't get hurt.
No sign of pursuit, sir.
Stay put, prisoner.
Good. Let's go. We're not out of this yet.
You. I've seen you. Let me see your face. You are the one from my dreams. Then the stars were right. And this is the day. Gods give me strength. Assassins attacked my sons, and I am next. My blades are leading me out of the city along a secret escape route. By chance, the entrance to that escape route leads through your cell. Perhaps the gods have placed you here so that we may meet. As for what you have done, it does not matter. That is not what you will be remembered for. I am your emperor, Uriel Septim. By the grace of the gods, I serve Tamriel as her ruler. You are a citizen of Tamriel, and you too shall serve her in your own way. You will find your own path. Take care. There will be blood and death before the end.
Please, sire, we must keep moving.
चलो जी, जहाँ पे मुझे रखा है वहीं पे सीक्रेट दरवाजा
Better
है.
not close this one.
Why not
There's
let
no
me
way
go
to
too?
open it from the other side.
This doesn't concern you, prisoner.
Looks like this is your lucky day. Just stay out of our way.
चलो इनका फॉलो ही करते हैं, हम भी निकल जाएंगे यहाँ से. इजी पीजी.
I told you to keep out of our way.
वही कर रहा हूँ भाई, मैं कौन सा हाथ लगा रहा हूँ?
Close up left. Protect the Emperor.
Protect yourself.
For the Emperor!
The captain's down.
Die, you scum!
कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करूँ अपने आप को? तलवार तो दो ना, कुछ तो दो।
Are you alright, sire? We're clear for now.
Captain Reno?
She's dead. Sorry, sire, but we have to keep moving.
There's trouble ahead.
How could they be waiting for us here?
Don't know, but it's too late to go back now. Don't worry, sire. We
ये तो लूटते हैं इसको,
will get you out of
कुछ ना कुछ तो आएगा हमारे पास।
They won't be the first to underestimate the blades. I'll take point. Let's move.
और नंगा कर
Stay
दिया।
here, prisoner. Don't try to follow us.
I am gonna follow. Okay. Oh shit! Oh shit! हट हट! किधर है? चूतिया। Oh shit! Magic. There you go, finally. Key. Oh, there you go. Found a different way. यहाँ से ऊपर भी नहीं जा सकते। Oh crap! एक और आ गया। हट। इतने गरीब हैं हम कि हमें रैट मीट खाना पड़ेगा। ये क्या है? मुत्ता Flash bolt, iron key. There you go, lockpick. Failed. Key तो मिल गई हमें. Let's check maybe that's if that's gonna work on here. No. Definitely a key for this door then. इसके लिए. Okay. Another one. Oh. We could go third person as well. Nice. इसको मारते हैं. Got him. All of them. Lockpick बिल्कुल चाहिए. Oh. Swords सारे के सारे. Inventory में जाते हैं, equip करते हैं. We need some armor. Hell yeah. Let's go. The scary ass tunnel though. Oh. The oh, ये क्या आ गया? Zombie? साले इतने बड़ा बड़ा जंप मारते हैं, पता भी नहीं चलता। ओके, थिंक वी आर ऑलमोस्ट आउट। शायद, अभी तो पता भी नहीं। लाइट दिख रही है लेकिन रास्ता नहीं दिख रहा बाहर का। There you go. I think almost out. ऊपर से आगे पीछे भी देखना पड़ता है। ये चूतिए जो फिर हैं, freaking rats. Oh shit. What the, ये क्या है? Holy crap, skulls. L2 is to block. Sinkhorn, sinkhorn, stinkhorn. शायद काम आ जाए हमारे आगे जाके। एक और दरवाजा और टनल। ओह व्हाट द, ये क्या है? स्नीक पास्ट। शिट, पता चल गया उसको। हट। और तो नहीं है। रोस्टेड रैट, सारा का सारा हमारे लिए। आराम आराम से जाएंगे, पता नहीं आगे क्या होगा। स्कैरी एस शिट। ओ, एक और आ गया। पता चल गया उसको। आजा आजा भाई, आजा आजा, मार खाने आजा। क्या फक्ड। गोल्ड तो डेफिनेटली चाहिए। What the hell is this? Bear belt. बाहर से बस लाइट आ रही है, ये नहीं पता कि जाना कहाँ पे और ये कब एंड होगा। ये वाली गेम रिलीज हुई थी और फिर ओह वेट होल्ड अप, ओह जाओ मरो। ये वाली गेम रिलीज़ हुई थी ना, मैंने बोला 2006 में, लेकिन इसके बाद एक और आई थी स्काईरम नंबर 5 आई थी। वो मैंने थोड़ी सी खेली थी लेकिन इतनी नहीं खेली थी। कौन है, किसकी आवाज़ है? पर या वो मैंने थोड़ी सी खेली थी, वो भी मैंने इतनी नहीं खेली थी। तो अगर भाई लोग आप कमेंट करोगे नीचे, रेकमेंड करोगे वो खेलना, तो वो भी खेल लेंगे। Yes, give me all these. क्योंकि वो भी बड़ी I mean like बहुत पॉपुलर गेम हुई थी जब रिलीज हुई थी ना, everybody loved it. Yes. ओहो, इसका शील्ड मुझे चाहिए, शील्ड ही नहीं ड्रॉप करते। बट या बेथेस्डा ने वो भी गेम इतनी बार रिलीज़ की ना, बस मैं चाहता हूँ होपफुली दे, आई डोंट नो इफ दे गोना रिलीज अगेन, प्रॉब्ली नॉट, इतनी बार तो रिलीज़ कर दिया। बट we'll check that one out too, maybe in the future। पहले इसको मारते हैं, ये पता नहीं, आजा भाई, मिस कर, ये ओह शिट, ये क्या है? Oh, what the? Oh, mage. चल हट। Flower ruby, soul gem, axe sword तो नहीं चाहिए। और ये फंसा हुआ है भाईजान यहाँ पे। लोगों को पका रहा है यहाँ पे। आई थिंक ये है रास्ता। Is this the way finally out? बाहर आ गए हम? नहीं, एक और टनल, of course। ओहो, पानी मिल गए वापस।
Help? What makes you think help will get here before more of those bastards? Here they come again. We need to get the Emperor out of here.
मदद करें इसकी क्या नहीं करें?
Down! Show me what you've got. Oblivion take you!
Oblivion take you. You're like that.
Damn it!
Not
It's that prisoner
smart.
again. Kill him. He might be working with the assassins.
No, he is not one of them.
हाँ सुनो, उसकी मैं उनके साथ नहीं हूँ।
He must help
चूतियो।
us.
As you wish.
They cannot understand why I trust you. They've not seen what I've seen. How can I explain? Listen, you know the Nine, how they guide our fates with an invisible hand. I've served the Nine all my days, and I chart my course by the cycles of the heavens. The skies are marked with numberless sparks, each a fire, and every one a sign. I know these stars well, and I wonder, which sign marked your birth?
Choose your birth sign. नहीं भाई, हम तो स्ट्रेंथ और एंड्योरेंस करेंगे, वॉरियर टाइप हैं हम। Yes, warrior.
Signs I read show the end of my path. My death, a necessary end, will come when it will come. Your stars are not mine. Today the warrior shall prove a stalwart companion when fortune fades. My dreams grant me no opinions of success. Their compass ventures not beyond the doors of death. But in your face I behold the sun's companion. The dawn of Akatosh's bright glory may banish the coming darkness. With such hope, and with the promise of your aid, my heart must be satisfied. No trophies of my triumphs precede me, but I have lived well, and my ghost shall rest easy. Men are but flesh and blood. They know their doom, but not the hour. In this, I am blessed to see the hour of my death, to face my apportioned fate, then fall. I go to my grave. A tongue shriller than all the music calls me. You shall follow me yet for a while. Then we must part.
You may as well make yourself useful. Here, carry this torch and stick close. We're the Emperor's bodyguards. Our job is to get him out of situations like this. Although I admit, things are not going according to plan. My job is to make sure the Emperor gets out of here alive, and I intend to do it. Stick close and let us do our job, and you'll be all right.
इसकी तो समझ नहीं आई मुझे. बोल रहा है कि मरने वाला हूँ, मुझे मरना है वगैरह वगैरह, लेकिन फिर यहाँ से बच के जा रहा है. अगर मरना है भाई तो सीधा मरना. जो तुझे मारने आ रहे हैं उनके हाथों से मर जा.
Oblivion, take you!
This can only lead to your destiny
Prisoner, help
falling
the
down a
Emperor.
different road.
Oblivion, take you! Show me what you've got.
Glenroy, over
My
here!
sword for the dragon!
For the Emperor! You're lucky. That's not smart.
तो सामने से हटना. बीच में क्यों आ रहा है?
Not much farther.
मुझे आगे जाना पड़ेगा. ये लोग तो कुछ नहीं कर रहे. इनसे बेहतर तो मैं हूँ.
Take them down! Protect the Emperor! Oblivion, take you! Prisoner, Stanford needs help!
Otherwise, you'd be dead already.
इसको तो सर्च करें. सेम शिट. लूट है ही नहीं कुछ. दरवाजा खोल भाई.
Hold up. I don't like this. Let me take a look.
जा. तू ठीक है भाई? जिंदा है?
Looks clear. Come on. We're almost through to the sewers. Damn it! The gate is barred from the other side. A trap!
What about that side passage back there?
Worth a try. Let's go.
चलो भाई लोग, फॉलो मी. यहाँ पर तो कुछ भी नहीं.
It's a dead end. What's your call, sir?
They're behind us. Wait here, sire.
Wait here with the Emperor. Guard him. For the Emperor!
For the
You thought we'd go
Emperor!
down
No.
easy?
Don't push me, prisoner.
This one. I told you to stay with the Emperor.
Let's
वाह.
supposed to be impressed.
This one. Die, you scum! Oblivion take. Get back with the Emperor. Protect him with your life. Die, you scum! Take them down. If you want to help, get back and protect the Emperor.
Do your worst.
तो वही तो मैं कर रहा था ना. वो कौन सा यहाँ पे है कोई?
Fought mud crabs more fearsome than you.
This one's mine. If you want to help, get back and protect the Emperor. Take them down.
Your health is low. Oi,
I
oi.
can go no further. You alone must stand against the Prince of Destruction and his mortal servants. He must not have the Amulet of Kings. Take the amulet, give it to Joffrey. He alone knows where to find my last son. Find him and close shut the jaws of oblivion.
And the Emperor!
ये कहाँ से आ गया?
Stranger, you chose a bad day to take up with the
Die, you
cause of the
scum.
Septums.
Die, you scum! No. Talos, save us. We failed. I failed. The Blades are sworn to protect the Emperor. Now he and all his heirs are dead. The amulet. Where's the Amulet of Kings? It wasn't on the Emperor's body. Strange. He saw something in you. Trusted you. They say it's the dragon blood that flows through the veins of every Septim. They see more than lesser men. The Amulet of Kings is a sacred symbol of the Empire. Most people think of the red dragon crown, but that's just jewelry. The amulet has power. Only a true heir of the blood can wear it, they say. He must have given it to you for a reason. Did he say why? Joffrey? He said that? Why?
सब कुछ इसको ही बता दो.
Nothing I ever heard about. But Joffrey would be the one to know. He's the Grand Master of my order. Although you may not think so to meet him, he lives quietly as a monk at Waynon Priory, near the city of Coral. First, you need to get out of here. Through that door must be the entrance to the sewers, past the locked gate. That's where we were heading. It's a secret way out of the Imperial City. Or it was supposed to be secret. Here, you'll need this key for the last door into the sewers. There are rats and goblins down there. But from what I've seen of you, I'm guessing you're an experienced barbarian. Am I right?
Barbarian. हम चूज करेंगे warrior of course.
I wasn't far off. In any case, rats and goblins won't give you any trouble. You must get the amulet to Joffrey. Take no chances, but proceed to Waynon Priory immediately. Got it? Good. The Emperor's trust was well placed. I'll stay here to guard the Emperor's body, and make sure no one follows you. You better get moving. May Talos guide you. By the way, thanks for recovering Captain Renault's sword. I'll see that it is given a place of honor in the halls of the Blades.
चलो जी मेरी sword भी ले ली.
Leave the Emperor in peace.
ओके भाई लोग, आज के लिए इतना ही. नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में और भी मज़ा करेंगे, नए मास्टर्स की बैंड बजाएंगे. चलो, अगर पसंद आया तो लाइक मारना, कमेंट करना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना. फिर मिलेंगे अगले एपिसोड में. पीस आउट.